Hello children, in this video we are going to study chapter number 12, that is early human. So in this chapter we are going to study the history of man. So let's see the early humans. Humans are most powerful beings on the earth. This is so because they can think and act while animals cannot. So we all know that human being is a powerful being on the earth because he have the capacity of think and act. Humans can make things, they can pass on their knowledge and skill to others. So we have the power of thinking power, and we can pass the messages to one another. Early humans were very different from the modern humans. Their food habits, clothes and tools were not developed. So early humans, they don't know how to use the tools, and they don't know how to cook the food, and even they don't know how to use the clothes. First point, food. So early humans live in a forest and caves. They ate raw fruits, roots, soft stems and the flesh of wild animals. At that time, they did not know how to cook food and ate whatever was available in the forest. Many times they had to move from one place to another in the search of food. So we know that early humans, they used to live in a jungle. Their life was very hard and they have to protect themselves from wild animals. So they used to live in caves. They used to eat whatever is available in the jungle, like raw fruit, stems, roots of a plant, and even sometimes they used to eat the flesh of the wild animals, and that is too raw. So it is not easy for them to find the food at one place. For that, what they used to do, they used to go from one place to another place in search of food. Tools. So early humans being had difficulty in taking out the roots of the plants from the ground. So it is very difficult for them to dig the roots from the ground. It is very difficult for them, and they have to kill the animals to eat their flesh. So it is very difficult for them to kill the animals with the bare hands. So they started to use small and big stones to kill animals, and even they used to use the stone to dig the ground and get the roots. So let's see what tools they have used. Early humans felt the need of tools for purpose of hunting wild animals and for digging out plants. And I told you that they used to use the stones as a tool to hunt the animals and to dig the plants. They used to simple stones with sharp edges to hunt animals. So earlier what they used to do, they used to use stones with the sharp edge. So in front they used to sharp that stone, and they used to make a point of that stone, and they used to hunt animals. Later they started sharpening them to suit their purposes. So they used to sharp the stone, and they used to use for different purposes. The first weapon that the early humans made was a club. So this is the first weapon that made by the early humans. Then sharper weapons were made, which includes hammer, chopper and axe heads. So after using the club, they used to use hammers, choppers and axe heads. Later, it was realized that if a stone was tied to a long piece of wood, it could be thrown at animal. This helped them to hunt animals without going nearby them. So they come to know that if a stone is tied to a long stick, then it will be easy for them to throw it on an animal, and they can kill the animal without going near to that animal. Since most of the tools were made of stones, this age was called the Old Stone Age. So they use stone for almost all the purposes as related to tools. So that age was called as Old Stone Age. Next, clothes. In the beginning, early humans did not wear any clothes. So in the beginning, they don't know about the clothes, and they not used to wear any clothes. They lived in caves to protect themselves from the cold weather and wild animals. So there is so much hot outside. For that, they used to live in a caves to protect themselves from animals. Later on, they started covering their body with the skin of animals and barks of trees or leaves. So afterwards, what they used to do, they used to cover their body with the skin of the animal. So whatever animal they hunt, no, the skin they used to use it for cover their body to protect themselves from cold. And afterwards, they also use barks of trees and leaves also to cover their body. This helped them to stay warm during winters. So they used to cover their body with the help of the skin of animal, barks of trees and leaves. It will help them to warm their body in the winter season. Next, discovery of fire. So early humans ate plants, nuts and raw flesh. So we know that early humans, they used to eat plants, nuts and raw flesh. They did not cook their food, so they don't know how to cook it, so they not used to cook their food. In fact, they did not know how to make fire. So if they don't know about the fire, so how can they cook their food? One day, while striking two stones together, they saw sparks coming out. So while rubbing two stones, they come to know that one spark came out after rubbing that two stones. This led to the discovery of fire. So this is how they discover fire, by striking two stones. Gradually, they learned that animals were afraid of it. So afterwards, what they learned? They learned that animals afraid of this fire. So if anywhere fire is there, the animal, they used to afraid go near to that fire. Early humans began to lit fire every night outside their caves to keep the wild animals away. So after that, what they used to do, they used to keep fire outside their houses, means caves, so that any wild animal will not come near their cave. Later, they also used fire to cook their food. So afterwards, they used to start to cook their food. Thus, fire becomes man's best friend. So after come to know that fire can make food tasty, so what they used to do, they used to cook their food and they used to have it. After the discovery of fire, early humans made better tool to kill animals. So after come to know about the fire, they used to kill animals in a better as a tool. Next comes farming, the beginning. So being able to grow their own food was perhaps the biggest achievement of early human. So it is very difficult for them to grow food because they don't know how to grow it. So what happened? They observed that a seed which had been left in the soil had grown into a plant. So they come to know that they used to roam in jungle and they used to eat raw fruit. What they used to do, they used to throw the seeds here and there. Afterwards, that seed become a sapling and it become a tree, and tree gives fruits. So like this, they understood that a seed can be a plant. So after this, they began to plant seeds to achieve similar results. So they used to grow the plants with the help of these seeds. When the seeds, after a period of time, grow into plants, early humans learned to grow food items. So after learning this, now they can grow their own food items. And they no longer needed to roam around in search of food. So afterwards, what they do, they stopped roaming here and there in search of food. They decided to settle down near rivers where the land was fertile and began growing their own food. So afterwards they used to stay in a one place, that is to near the river, because near the river the land was fertile. So fertile means it has water, everything whatever needed for the growing of the plant. So they started living near the river and they grow their own food. Next comes taming animals. After learning the methods of farming, early humans started taming animals. So after learning the farming, what they used to do? They used to train animals. They give training for animals. So let's see which animal they have given what kind of a training. Dogs was perhaps the first animal to be tamed. So dog was the first animal that is tamed by the early humans. Later, early humans domesticated cows and goats. So after a dog, they tamed cows and goats. Domestication of animals was done for various purposes. So these animals are used for various purposes. So dogs were used during hunting and to guard homes and fields at night. So dogs were, what purpose they used to use dogs? They use dogs for hunting and to guard their house and fields at night. Cows and goats were domesticated for milk and meat. So cows and goat, they give us milk and they also get milk from these two animals and even meat. Bullocks were used for ploughing their field and carrying heavy loads. So bullocks were used for ploughing their fields. So they used to make their land fertile by using these bullocks. And they also carry heavy loads from one place to another. Horses were used for riding. So horses they used for riding to go from one place to another place. Next point, settled life. So early humans settled down at one place. Now they know about fire, they know about clothes, they know about farming, and they also tamed animals, and even they know about tools. So after knowing all these things, now they settled in one place. They become farmers and started ploughing the field. Thus early humans developed from food gather to food products. After learning the art of farming, early humans built shelters with bamboo, stone and skin of animals for themselves. So after they settled in one place, that is near the river, now they have constructed a house by using bamboo, stone and skin of animals. Settled lifestyle led the rise of villages and communities. So after they settled in one place, now they are in a community. So there is a community relating to their own people. Settled lifestyle led to the rise of villages and community, which resulted in the emergence of common language as means of communication. So after settled down in one place, now they are talking with each other with communication language, that is a common language. Settled life also gave early humans some free time for entertainment. Now they have settled one place, means they are not going one place to another place for hunt of the animals in search of food. Now they have settled in one place, so they get more time, that is free time. So in that free time they used to entertain themselves. Dancing, singing, storytelling and painting. So these are the some entertainment they used to do. So painting they used to do on the cave walls were the means of entertainment. Early human used to draw figures of animals or scenes of hunting on the walls of cave. So what they used to draw? They used to draw figure of animals and scenes of hunting the animals. So what they used to hunt? They used to draw on the cave. Cave paintings have been discovered in many parts of the world. So we can see there are so many caves. We can see these paintings. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is an example of prehistoric cave painting in India. So it is one place we can see cave painting in that place. Transportation. Early humans made their houses near river and lakes so that they could easily get water to cook food and fulfill their other needs. So we know that they used to live near the river so that they can get water very easily, and they used to cook it, and they used to for other purposes. Early humans saw logs of wood floating fast on water in the rivers. So now they come to know that these woods can float in water very easily. So this inspired them to make rafts and boats of wood to cross the river. Now they come to know that these woods can float on the river, so they make rafts and boats to cross the river. Water transportation made traveling easy for early humans. So water transportation, it is very easy for them to go to other places. Next, invention of the wheel. For early humans, traveling on land was very difficult. Early humans made sledges on which they placed the load and pulled it themselves. So what they used to do, it is very difficult for them to go from one place to another place in land. So what they made a sledge like this, and they used to take it and they used to pull it with the loads, and they used to pull it themselves like this. Later, they tamed animals to pull the sledges. So afterwards, they tamed the animals and they used to use to pull these sledges. But it was very difficult to pull the sledge over rough and uneven ground. So it was very difficult for them to pull these sledges over the rough and uneven ground. This task became easier when they realized that the trunks of trees placed under a sledge could make the movement of the sledge smoother and easier. So what they after do, they put one trunk. So trunk is a round, and they put both the sides of that sledge, and it becomes very easy for them to take it. So they cut small round blocks of wood and placed them under the sledge. This led to the invention of a wheel. So they cut round and small blocks of wood and they kept it both the sides. So this is how they invented the wheel. Next, uses of wheel. So the invention of wheels made transportation of goods from one place to another easy. So after inventing, now it is very easy for them to take heavy things from one place to another place. Carts were invented and animals like oxen and horses were used to pull these carts. So they used to use animals like oxen and horses to pull those carts. Carts made traveling easier and faster. So these carts make very easy and fast because they have wheels, so they can run off their own. The wheel was also used for various other purposes. So these wheels they use for other purposes also. Later on, early humans invented the potter's wheel. So after that, they invented a potter's wheel where we can make pots. It was used for making pots and clay. So this wheel was helpful to make pots and with clay. Wheels also came to be used for spinning and weaving. So these wheels they also used for weaving the clothes and spinning. The invention of wheel completely changed the life of the early human. So these wheel they changed early life of the human very fastly. So let's see some pictures of early human. So this picture shows that how they used to hunt animals. So these are the tools of early human used for hunting and digging the field. These kind of a cloths means skin of animals they used to wear to cover their body. This is how they used to get fire by rubbing two stones. This is how they used to do farming, means they used to grow crops. In this picture we can see they have settled in one place near the river. Here they have used raft for transportation, that is water transportation. Wheels are using in carts. So this is potter's wheel. So this is all about early humans. Thank you for watching.